Today we are going to finish the outside of this little ash calabash bowl. It's previously been turned and finished and it's really hard, so the cuts I need to make are shear cuts and shear scrapes, just real gentle with my bowl gouge, and then I'm going to finish it with Mike Mahoney's walnut oil, product I really like, and I'll say more about that. If you're interested in this, I'll leave a link below. So stick around. We're going to turn an ash calabash. Alright, today we are going to see if we can finish turn this little calabash bowl. So, I had turned it a number of years ago. It's ash. There's a tenon on it here, but that's way too small. Nowadays I would put a lot bigger tenon on it, use it as the foot, maybe even a recessed tenon. Tenon should be 40% the size of the bowl, and this thing doesn't really even come close, I don't think. So I'm going to mount this up. Doesn't really matter where because it's out of whack anyway. And then you can see I struggled with tear out right here. And that's why I didn't ever finish this, because I couldn't sand it and I couldn't get to it. But now I think I have a better technique to help me get that out without hours of sanding. Plus this bowl is way too thick. So there, that's in that red. Ooh, the black. Wow, that's really pushed out right there. Okay, well, that's kind of cool. Okay, well, if you take a look at this thing is quite a bit out around. It's been drying, I guess, in the last few years. It's been sitting around the shop unfinished. And it is hard, so I just put a fresh cut, and I'm going to use a nice shear scrape and try and get this rounded out. Nice fine whispers, but that was actually a good, it's a cut, it's a shear cut. I'm riding the bevel and it's cutting straight up and down. A scrape would be if I didn't have anywhere near the bevel and I was doing this. And you can just hear from the cut, that is dry and hard ash. Alright, that was a scrape, and that didn't sound as good. It was kind of wanting to catch right there and rub out on that end grain. Yep, so a cut versus a scrape made all the difference. That left it pretty good right there. I'm having a little bit of a harder time with that. My body's out of position because of the camera. Hold on. So I got my cuts basically the shape I want, and now I'm finishing with just a really shear straight, just light. And one little ridge that I'm trying to take out. The secret with this really hard stuff is high speed, sharp tools. Okay, so what I'm using here is Mike Mahoney's Utility Finish Heat Treated Filtered Water Walnut Oil, and it's food safe. And it's a product I like. I know Mike Mahoney, I've taken classes from him, I've talked to him, I've met him. I think it's a great product, and somebody from Amazon contacted me the other day and said, "We'll send you a bottle of this if you make a video about it." And I said, sure. So this video is sponsored by one free $17 bottle of this stuff, which is something I would use anyway. Other than that, there's not really much sponsorship going on this channel. But like I said, it's a product I'd use anyway, so I was happy to make a video for them. Alright, now we have got the outside of that looking awesome. Sanded up, reshaped, it's round again. Now I'm going to attack the inside. Alright, well that's a wrap on this bowl for today. I know I talked about finishing the inside, but this video is getting long-winded. So thanks for watching, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Come back next time.